Have you ever walked into a room full of strangers and suddenly forgot how to speak? That was me on my first day of school, heart racing, hands sweating, and my mind full of words. Like what should I say to them? Hi, my name is Immanuel Saputra from X9 and my absent is 18. And today I want to share what it really felt like start my first day of school. The nervous smile, the awkward silence, and the one moment that made everything a little less scary. The morning felt different that day. My uniform looked a little too new, and my stomach would stop twisting. It was the first day of school. Everywhere I looked, people were already talking, laughing, and forming little groups. I stood there pretending to scroll on my phone. That's how it started. A day filled with awkward silence, nervous glances, and the hope that maybe, just maybe, someone would say hello first. The classroom was already half full when I walked in. The sound of chatter filled the room. Laughter here, quiet conversations there, and for a moment I just stood by the door, unsure where to sit. Everyone seemed to already have someone to talk to. Some faces looked familiar from orientation, while others were completely new. I quietly made my way to an empty desk near the window, trying not to draw attention. For a few minutes, I just listened. Some students were joking about how early they had to wake up. Others were talking about their holiday. I wanted to join in, but my voice seemed stuck somewhere between my chest and my throat. I keep asking myself, what if they think I'm weird? What if they don't want to talk to me? Then, something small but important happened. The person sitting next to me dropped their pen. I picked it up and handed it back, saying, "Here you go." They smiled and said thanks, and somehow that broke the ice. We started talking first about the pen, then about how confusing the school map was, and soon about which subject we were most nervous for. Before I knew it, two other classmates joined in. We laughed about how everyone got lost trying to find the science lab and how your new uniform still felt stiff and uncomfortable. Bit by bit, the awkwardness started to fade. The classroom didn't feel as cold and unfamiliar anymore. It started to feel normal. When the teacher finally walked in and introduced herself, I glanced around the room and realized I wasn't invisible anymore. I had people I could smile at, people who would smile back, and the small moment, that tiny act of speaking up, changed everything. As the day came to an end, I realized something simple but powerful. It wasn't as scary as a talk. All that worrying, all those what if in my head, the slowly disappeared once I decided to open up, even just a little. The first day taught me that everyone feels nervous sometimes. We all want to fit in, to be understood, to be seen, and sometimes it takes us is one small moment of courage, one smile to change everything. Thank you.